And if you would, let me have some volunteers. You can just kind of call out answers, but give me a very short idea of what these prior opportunities were. So what kinds of things were you doing? You can raise your hand or just call it out.
I worked in a special ed room my senior year, and Allie cleaned up a school and painted it. That was in danger of closing down.
Painted a dying school. Thank you. Okay. Shay.
Taught English in Korea.
Okay, English in Korea.
Fine, I'll do all of us.
Not something everyone's done, huh? Thanks, Shannon. Who else?
We both spent time in classrooms in high school and just did like mission trips through church, and there was like a missions class at my high school where you would go out every day and just do various things.
Excellent.
Military dancing.
How many people went on mission trips in their schools? Yeah, so almost half of you have done that too. Thanks. Other examples? This is a pretty good list already.
Yeah, there's in our Tacoma Rescue Mission.
I'm sorry.
Rescue Mission?
Rescue. Oh, yeah. Which is actually a, it's a shelter, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, it has, yeah, a lot of different services, but it has
That's right, yeah.
shelters, yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, so let's move on. This gives you a pretty good list of the kinds of opportunities that exist, very easy access in our community here. And we could make this a lot longer. But you already have the idea of what it means to have a community service obligation. So when SPU says to you, we're going to build that into a class or whatever, all of you are thinking, hey, I've done that before. That's probably pretty easy for you. But let's look at the bigger picture, and we'll kind of go a step deeper, I think, in terms of the thought process about this, and try to get to a bigger picture of what does it mean to think about the definition of service. So when we look at the disposition sheet and say, okay, here are all these indicators under service, kind of gives us a bigger picture, right? We could just look at community service as something we're doing for disadvantaged people in our community or something like that, right? But I think there's a bigger definition. So could you do that in Pierce for a minute? Just kind of share some ideas about, so what does service really mean? What's the big picture or definition of service? Okay. So Elbow Partners?